In this video, I'm going to show you how I make the magic knot. I use it when I want to join yarn which is the same colour, when I've run out of one ball and want to move on to the next, or I want to change colours. It's really very simple once you know how. Now you'll have 2 pieces of yarn, okay? The one that you're going to lay on the bottom needs to be open on the right hand side. The one you lay on the top needs to be open on the left hand side. Now this placement is very important. This placement is what achieves a strong knot that just does not come undone. Righto, we've got our 2 yarn ends. This positioning is very important. We're going to take our bottom yarn, we're going to pop it over top of the yarn on the top. Then we're going to take it down and under the top yarn and down and under itself. So you've essentially got a loop here with the other colour yarn running through it. Then you bring that yarn end and pop it through the loop, pulling it out the other side. Then you grabbing onto the yarn end and pull it tight. There you've made a knot around the green yarn. Okay, so we do the same thing just in the other direction. We take the green one, we pop it over top of the grey one. We take it underneath the grey one and underneath itself. So again, you've got this loop here with the other piece of yarn travelling through it. Then you're going to grab the yarn end and take it through the loop and out the back. Now you're going to pull that knot. So we've got 2 pieces of yarn knotted onto each other here. All you then have to do is pull them together. Now pull that nice and tight. I do it tight because I don't want the knot to be very big. I want it to be almost seamless. Then what I do is snip the yarn end really close to the knot. I've never had one come undone, and you can pull it with all your might and that is not going to come undone. And it's the sort of knot that you're able to use in your work and poke it through to the backside so it's not seen. It actually doesn't stand out very much at all with the size of the knot that it is. Okay, so that is my magic knot. I hope this tutorial has been really helpful and you might give this magic knot a go. I'm going to see you in the next video very soon where I show you why the side that you make your slip stitch on matters.